Damn, you boys were waiting for me. Shit, what's good? Uh, uh, uh. Happy Friday, Qmeezy. Felix, glad you guys are here. Hopefully you guys can see me, hear me. Qmeezy, um, you don't know since you're new, but Fridays are always off for me, as in trading. I never trade Fridays. I am live, I do call setups, but I never trade Fridays. Now, why you may ask? The only day of the week I've blown account is a Friday. So that's why. Luck out in green today? Hey, glad to fucking hear it. What kind of setups you took? Let us see. Let us see, let us see. Now let's go over today's bias. Alright, alright, alright. I'm sorry. I'll see it. TP on London low. Hey, good shit. I'm guessing you took this right here. On the right here. But okay. So or possibly this. Anyways, the bias for today. Boys, Xinjiang trade went to 2.17. Bro, all you need is 1 to 2. 2.17 does as well. All you need is 1 to 2-ish, right? So you're good, you're chilling, you're big chilling. Lyosh was good, Lyosh. Oh, hell yeah. Good shit. Me tagging my boy Troll Boy. We're live. Good transition. Yeah, blah, blah. Bro, I can. Good shit, Felix. Glad to see you winning. Lyosh got up. He didn't slip in. Let's go. It's good. Nothing much. Just chilling. We go over the bias. Hard bias. Hard bias because we are near all-time highs. We did sweep all of this right here, plus some more right there, right? And there's not a lot of structure to the downside for us to base either a long or a freaking short, right? Because since we're near all-time high, my personal thinking is, okay, if we come back up here, I don't think that's valid for a short because we're just close to all-time highs, right? And if we come back down, well, we swept London right here, and nothing happened, right? We still have Asia, but it's it's tough. It's super freaking tough. The this kind of PA. I think if we continue pumping, it's gonna be a tough couple of weeks coming for day traders. For the portfolio, I can't complain, but I think it's gonna be tough for day traders just because we are near all-time highs, right? But as for today, what I'll be looking for is I'll be looking for here, right? Well, we actually just got it. London low, right? Potential setup right here on open. To me, is this a good setup? It's not bad, but the IFVG is super fucking fat. I mean, it's not that fat, but you get what I mean, right? So, as of now, it's a fair red gap, sorry. So that could be a potential setup on open, right? And then next potential setup would be Asia low or somewhere around here. If let's say we sweep this, I'd be confident in the long. So these are, holy, hold on now. Let me open all my shit, my news stuff. I haven't opened the news anyways, as of now. Nothing from Trump. We have red folders today at, it was at 8:30. I woke up at 8:30, to be honest. Alright, I'm locked out. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, so we can look at the lower time frame right here. Yeah, so again, I'm gonna say it. I do not trade Fridays. I will call set up for you guys, but I never trade Fridays. Uh, uh, uh. You just woke up, Eliash? Shit. Bro just woke up. Bro, I'm glad Eliash is here. Let's go, let's get it. I'm glad Kimizi's here. Glad Felix is here. Normally we got Trollboy, but I guess Trollboy didn't wake up. Or yeah, but Kimizi, this week you didn't really miss anything. Uh, I personally took only one fucking trade on the top step, and it was two trades, and it was break evens. Tough week. What's good, Rez? How you go? Are you doing good? Hope you're doing good. Well, Rez left. Rez is back. Damn. Hope you're doing good, Rez. Happy you're here. Hope you can recover today. That would be nice for you. Let's see what Kimi's gonna say. Rez, we're gonna keep the talking a bit low before open, and then we're gonna talk, and then we can talk. I'm trying the things hella slow and patient so I can finally get funded, so no worries. Yeah, on evals, of course, you're gonna take some riskier setups, right? Like I'm not. Oops, I'm actually gonna stop sharing my whole screen so you guys can see the chart. Uh, Again, I'm gonna say it again just so you guys don't get confused. I am on paper trading because it's Friday. But on eval, Community, the thing I do on eval is you take everything that's a possible setup, right? And if it goes well, it goes well. If it doesn't, it doesn't, right? I wouldn't take this on a funded if we just because we kind of got the encroachment right here, and that's possible liquidity because that's a possible data wake, right? I don't know yet, but I wouldn't take this on a funded, but on an eval, why not just test my luck, right? It's still a valid setup, just not for a funded play, in my opinion, right? So on an eval, way more risk. You take way more risk, not full porting as in risk, but it's just as in taking more trades, right? On an eval. Let me know if that's what you think as well, but paper trade because I'm locked out in green. We get it, bro. You're locked. I'm just kidding. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. What kind of time frame is this? We can't really see. First green day after 10 red days. Let's go, bro. 10% win rate? Yeah, Kimizi on an eval is. I mean, how long you been trading? Also, can you guys see my screen when I do this? I feel like it's glitching. On and off, like 6 months, bro. Lock in every day, and bro, I feel like you guys can't see my screen. Can you see my screen? Okay, what about now? Can you see my screen now? Okay, I'll be back. Give me a second. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, can you guys see? Can you guys hear me? Just making sure. Says I'm streaming, so we should be good. All right, perfect. Torgor asked me if I was trading. I'm gonna just tag him real quick in here. Yes, I am. Brandon, you're washed. Get your fucking washed. Torgor, who's a good Torgor? Brandon just lost 20K. Just kidding. It wasn't a bad setup though. It wasn't a bad setup. Squid Games, bro. You look like you're from Squid Games. Okay, so we got open in 1 minute. I'm gonna look if we get some sort of manipulation on the 30 seconds. I'd love to see that data wick that we just made. I'd love to see this swept, and I'm gonna take it on eval just for funsies. On unfunded, sorry, not funded, on, you know what I mean, on demo, just for fucking funs and giggles. But if we sweep this 27th at 925, that's to me that's good signs that we could shit on open. We'll see though. Like if we take this right here or these lows, that's gonna be teller for me. It's gonna be teller. We'll see in 16 seconds though. Uh, well, if it's hard because it's super quick. But if we sweep this, I'll tell you short. Just for you, I'll tell you short. Okay, we got the manipulation at 925, but nothing crazy. I really want to see it though. I really want to see this get hit. Like I don't usually send signals like this. What's good, Ryan? I don't usually send signals like this, but bro, I just do it for you. Because why not? No, it hasn't swept yet. It hasn't swept. We need this before open. Like, you'll buy my meme coin. Well, Torgor, the scammer that tried to scam me, it didn't work. It didn't work. I was like, yo, send me the money. I'll put it in your broker. And then so he could like, okay, so you know these scammers, right? They make you put money in their brokers, and when you make money, it's actually fake money. They ask you to pay a fee, right? Well, I try to tell him, well, if you send me $400, I'll add a 50 to that, and I'll put all of this in the broker, and yeah, I can make trade with you with the guy, right? It's a scammer. He says he's trading crypto, blah blah blah, copy trading, right? So I thought he was gonna fall for it, but he did it. Scammer gets scammed, and the kid starts crying like it's Fortnite. Yeah, guy needs to lock in. Where's fucking Daniel? I think he went back to sleep. And we just need Daniel and Trollboy, and we got the a big squad in here. When you order a book called How to Scam People and it's still not here after. Tough, tough, really tough. Uh, 30 seconds looks choppy. Full Port Fridays, fuck it. 30 seconds looks choppy as hell. DP 122, that's what? R6? You're chilling. So, yeah, we'll see what happens in 3 minutes. But yeah, it's super sketchy. I mean, it's not sketchy, but it's just, I really would have liked us to just go up after fucking, you know, on the YM. YM looks like ass right now. YM looks like shit right now. Yeah, we might inverse this actually, but we just took this one. Uh, did we? Yeah, we did. We did. Let me pull out my ES real fucking fast. What did I fucking say? Swept this as manipulation and bam. Holy, goaded. No setups though. No setup whatsoever. Was there a setup on the 15 second? There was no setup on the 15 seconds either. Holy manipulation, boys. Is that the wick? Yeah, that's the wick. We made an SMT as well. YM's just has big 930 candles, so if you use it for a breakout, yeah. But we manipulated this high. I said at like 924, I want to see us manipulate this for a move down. Got the high at like 27, 28. Shit the bed after. Let's go. No fucking setup though, unfortunately. Uh, Still a all-time high on Vo right now, which is good. Hopefully we sweep this. We sweep this before open. Thinking of a move up. Thinking of a move up if we sweep this before open. Now on the 15 seconds and the 30 seconds, it all looks the same, just because it was such a big candle. So it all looks the same. You guys can see my screen, correct? Nah, stop fucking around, bro. Sometimes it's actually glitches. Can you see my screen or nah? You're kidding. Like you can't see my screen? Come on, boys. Okay. Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. What's good, Bash? Fuck you guys. Ice cream? Hell yeah. Okay, we just opened, swept that, went to the zone. Let's see what happens from here. Potential long here, Kimizi. Potential long. Open was super is super choppy right now, but potential long right here. We hit the zone, swept this, pre-market low. So potential long. Not a long, but potential. Like I'm not gonna tell you all short or long, but potential. Like this has potential. We'll see. These equals right here, which also is possibly a data wick. 71 RR, boys. What's up with this? Uh, no close. There's a close. There's no close anywhere, Kumizi. Yes, sir. You have a good day. There's no close anywhere, Kumizi. Unfortunately, it did hit though to here. But there's well, kind of it-ish, right? We made an SMT, but yes, so it hit. So no close, no setups. We don't take it. I wouldn't take this as a long, even if we close below, above it. Why? Because we almost swept here and we swept on ES, so there's no point for us right here. It would be stupid. So quick ins and out, as you can see. Quick ins and out. Yes, sir. See you as well, Brendan. See you, Felix. Oh, they're both left. They both left. Marianne was good. Hope you're doing well. Uh, what was called out-ish as of now, Marianne, was a sweep of this right here and a shit. We went to our zone, and then we went up here, made an SMT, right? Uh, but no setups. Unfortunately, there's no setups. So that's ass. We're still in the zone, one of my zones that I like. We swept as well, so that's always good. Oh, no good structures though. No good structure. To be fair, just because it's wiki, you know. But that was a good setup. Not a lot of points though. It's 10 points, but what do you need, right? If you go with two minis like I trade, I'm chilling with that. But if I'm looking on the 15 and the 30 seconds, there was no close, so no setup for us. Maybe on yes, there was. Let me check. No, not even on yes. There was nothing right here. I mean, it was good, but there was nothing, unfortunately. Oh yeah. Kimizi, how's your trip to Paris? Marianne, have you came back from your losses from yesterday? Hopefully you did. The zone's out holding pretty well. So yeah. I mean, Ryan, if you really need a win today, maybe take it off. Take the day off. Because if you really need a win, that's where you're gonna lose, in my opinion. Going to Rome? Holy, good stuff. Bro's traveling. Super nice. Yeah, but take it slow, take it slow. If you come within the market and be like, I need to win, you're gonna lose for sure, in my opinion. Yeah, we may have another close, but look at ES, it's not worth it. And yeah, Marianne, while it happens, you just can't lose your confidence. I wouldn't long this. I wouldn't long this, guys. You gotta be nonchalant. Yes, you do. You gotta be nonchalant. Nonchalant. Because if you think about it too much, that's where you fail. Perdu. Yeah, well, it happens, but just gotta get it back. Um, well, that's the thing, Akimizi, and Ryan. Me personally, if I think about trading the day before, like I'm like, oh, I need to do this to in order to win. I need to do this, this, and this and that. I won't be trading. I won't be trading because I got trading's on my mind way too much. All right, Torgor, you have a good day. Hopefully we see you later a bit. Uh, yeah, it's good to take steps back, Marianne. I would as well. Been so confident recently because I've won so much before, but now I'm losing that confidence. Well, the thing is, you need to tell yourself, okay, I've won, right? But it's the same thing as when I was a loser. I still need to keep that energy that I haven't made it yet. I still need to keep going. I can't be I can't be leaning back and be, oh, well, it's okay. I did it. I can do it again without even trying, without waking up in time, without doing my routine like I do, blah, 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 right? I wake up personally, I wake up in the morning at the same time, eat the same shit, uh, go to the gym at the same time. I should kind of change it because I'm going to the gym at like 11:30 at night. I'm fucked. Uh, there's also like you can't change what you were doing when you were a loser. You know what I mean? That's where you get cooked. You guys can see my screen, right? Okay, yes we can. But yeah, you just gotta not lose that confidence because when you lose it, because you laid back, that's where you cooked. So it's cooked right here. Honestly, twice, but no setups. Yeah, yeah. I'm really not the type to complain about PA, but I've been complaining for 2 days. It's been fucking ass. It's been fucking ass. Although this was good right here. The shit right here, just no setups, unfortunately, but this was good. Oh yeah, Nvidia. Give me some money, buddy. Make me some money. Let me see. How up am I today? I'm almost up a percent. I'll take it. Fuck it. You know. I'm still down 30% on crypto though. Fuck me, boys. All time, down 28%. It's not a lot, but I'm up plenty on Bitcoin though, so I'm chilling. But what really cooked me is let's not laugh here. All right. Actually, let's go on the fucking daily time frame. It's gonna be easier. About right here, bro. I'm down 50% on that bitch. I know Lyosh is screaming right now. I know Lyosh is screaming. It has been shitty. It has been shitty all week. But my thing is, I do not, I do not blame the PA. I blame myself, right? You gotta adapt. SMT's right here. You gotta adapt to that PA. So, I'm gonna repeat myself. I don't know if you guys know this, but uh, hold on. Okay, we swept everything on YM. When Trump got in office and started talking about all this is swept on YM. When Trump got into office and started talking about tariffs, that fucked the market, right? And what I used to do is I used to play only off of SMT. So right here, I could see a short, yeah, because we swept this right here, but we didn't on here, right? So I would just short it with one con, aim for $100, and off of that I would be good. And like if I had shorted right here, 33 to 20, well, we went to 28, which would have been $100, so I would have been had made money. So it's all about adapting to the markets, right? And it's quick set in and out. You know, that thing took 4 seconds, but that's what I used to do when Trump spoke about tariffs. So it's all about adapting to these conditions. Give me a second. All right, I'm back. So it's all about adapting because yes, it's been hella fucking ass in the past few days. I cannot lie. But we gotta adapt, right? So what I've been looking at is as in for adapting, I've been noticing that we often sweep pre-market lows and just moon or shit, right? What did we do here? We swept pre-market lows, bam, right? I mean, we swept some lows right here, but that's not pre-market lows, but we swept pre-market lows and then we're going up, right? And then we got pre-market highs right here. So yeah, but as I said earlier, I wouldn't look for shorts right here just because we're too close to all-time highs. So only longs from here, but really glad. Well, I'm not glad right here. We didn't get any setups, any good setups, but bias was perfect. So I'm happy about this. We hit the zone, swept the liquidity within the zone, and bam, just went up. So bias was perfect. Happy about that. Just no setups, unfortunately. Choppy, choppy, choppy before that. If we had went, if we had made something like this, with no chop, definitely a long, definitely a long. But yeah, no setup, unfortunately. Honestly, there hasn't been really any good setups this week, as in for calling out. It's just been shit all week. The only time we got a good setup was 2 days ago when I had to go get my ID done. Well, we're gonna go later, but I left at 10:35, I think, and at 11:02, I think it was a banger setup, so that always sucks. But yeah, I wouldn't short this. I wouldn't short this. You know, it might hit, but I wouldn't short this. Too small. Is it? That's 3 points. We swept liquidity right there, so I wouldn't short this. Plus, what are we basing the short off of right here? Nothing, right? We still have a lot of trend line liquidity right here. So we're kind of basing the short off of nothing, so that's why I wouldn't take it if we close. Let me remove all of this so it's less, it's already choppy enough, right? We didn't close, by the way, so yeah. So I think we're patiently gonna wait for this, right? Better to be patient than rush things and lose everything, in my thinking. But yeah, you're going to Rome right now. When are you coming back to your actual home? Like 2 weeks? Shit, that's a big holiday. You going there with your parents or your girlfriend? Your grad trip because you just graduated? W parents. W parents. Good shit. So, how old are you? You're 18? Just freshly 18? Sounds weird, but you know what I mean. 7. Wait, what? So you're the youngest of your class. You're the youngest of your class, that means, right? Because I'm born in July as well, and now I'm the youngest. I was the youngest of my class. Gladly. But I hate getting old. What's the date of your birthday? Maybe we got the same one. Who knows? Let's see. Damn, that was super close. 31st for me. July 31st. Yeah, we're twinning almost. Nvidia's going up, but we're still going up on Vo. Bro, Nvidia, just pump for me. Just pump for me. Why not? Right? But Nvidia's like up 12 to 13% this week. Bro, I'm turning 24. I wanna die. Every birthday is depressing. Oh, kill yourself, guy, my guy. Holy unk. Alright, buddy, come on. Hey, Liosh, how old are you? How old is Liosh, how old are you? Let's get fucking Torgor in here. So I feel less like an unk. Liosh, how old are you? You're not 30, bro. You're like 35. Oh, okay, well, balls drop super quick then, right? Torgor. Fucking Qmeezy called me unk, bro. Torgor, how old are you? good, Daniel. How's it going? You get the zone, Daniel. Swept liquidity within the zone, and bam. Oh, I can't believe I got called a unk, bro. No, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Oh no. Youngest in here is gonna Ryan. Unk. No, Ryan. Yeah, Ryan. How old are you, Ryan? Ryan's pretty young as well, I think. What we're waiting for? We're waiting for that low to be taken or this high. 19? Oh, okay, I thought you were younger than this. Unk status for sure. So I got the young status. Torgo's got the Unk status, and so does Lyash. Yeah, that's crazy. Jeez, 19 with only one payout, and bro, keep your head up, buddy. Keep your head up, buddy. If your head is down, that way you're making it. Keep your head up. What the fuck? One payout is better than most. What does IMO mean? I must be honest. What is it? Yeah, blow it all on evals. That's tough though. I feel like that's the problem with most of people. They get a payout, they blow it out on the eval. Like my boy Demon in the Discord, he hasn't been active because he blew all of his fucking money that he made from Top Step on evals. Yeah, like it's like putting it all back into the gambling machine. So that's why you gotta be careful with it. What were we saying? What were we saying? Daniel. Like, I mean, we can just you can't justify it to yourself. Was good, was good. Yeah, did you print out any zones today? And if so, how did it go? Bet. Boys, if the stock market goes well today, I am hitting a money milestone that I've been eyeing for a while, so it could be a big day. Nothing yet, man, nothing yet. Nothing yet. I mean, we had this right here, but no setups, right? We had this one, but way too high, and then we came back like fucking 30 points, so we would have been stuffed out. We got equal highs-ish right here. Let me take care of my nose, my cold. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Alright, I'm back. So hey, um, this PM, I got something exciting. I am going to go live on TikTok, but I'm gonna host something. It's like a backtesting, but a backtesting war. So whoever makes the most money, right, wins. There's nothing at stakes right now. Yeah, that's what I did. Oh Lord, there's nothing at stake right now because they won't fucking give me funded accounts. But I think it could be fun. Could get the engagement up on TikTok. So if you guys want to do some backtesting or yeah, yeah, Ryan, you take care. You take that break. Take that break. You take care. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do like fucking backtesting war where we all be in the we're all in the fucking same lobby with the same chart and whoever makes the most money uh wins. Nothing as of now. I got mentioned in Top Step, but I'm not even in the Top Step thingy. Damn, I was banned from Top Step. Anyone else has been banned from the Top Step Discord? I don't know why I was banned though. I just posted a fucking trade and I got cooked. Yes, sir, Ryan. You take care. See you on Monday. Monday's your day. PA is better than what we've seen all week right now. Yo, could you at least give me $6? I got you with five. Six? A bit out of my budget. A bit out of my budget right now. Uh, I blew it all on hookers. Oh, moves and longs. $5 Canadian. That's 3.5 USD. Uh, yeah. $5. You can't even buy bagged milk with this. Bro. The best milk on how here, Marianne, tell him how bagged milk is better than cardboard milk. Just tell him. I think we can all agree, all Canadians can agree that bagged milk is better than cardboard milk and plastic milk. Plastic milk just tastes like shit. Two euros, yeah. I mean, you can do a lot with 2 euros, I think, in Italy, right? Kumisi, let us know. But bagged milk, bro, du lait en sac. You can't go wrong with bagged milk. You can't go wrong. I had to pull out the French here. I had to pull out the French. My bad, boys. But you cannot go wrong with bagged milk. It's so fucking good. Layash, spinning game, bag milk. Yeah, hold on. Let me try to find a GIF. There you go. Of course, bag milk is way better. Bag milk is the best. It doesn't taste like cardboard. It doesn't taste like plastic. There's a bit of there's a bit of bacteria from the fridge in there. Damn, she just said she doesn't like. She said she doesn't like bag milk. Come on, Torgor, we're cooked. Someone left. Who? Oh, it's Ryan. She says she only likes cardboard milk. I'm not proud. Not proud. Not a proud Canadian right there. So we're still waiting for that high or that low right here, which is New York low right here, and we got pre-market highs over there. That's what we'll be waiting for. No point in rushing anything. We'll be kind of dumb. Bro, bag milk is the best. Yes, sir. You have a good day as well. Daniel. Hopefully you cook some more. But yeah, we'll be patient today. Yes, sir. Send me some screenshots. Send me some everything you back this, right? I want to know everything to make sure we get you straight. I mean, you've been doing fine, but make sure we get you straight. Who's Mark? Mark Jupiter? We need Mark Jupiter. Peace out, Daniel. You have a good day. We need Mark Jupiter in here. Mark Jupiter's never came in the stream, but love that guy. Mark Carney. Fuck. It's crazy that we sent each Canadian sent $497 to Ukraine. I mean, it's sad for them though, but Ukrainian people. Okay, so choppy, choppy, choppy. We wait. We wait. Hopefully we get something. Nvidia is going. I want all stocks to go up. I want to hit my fucking. I want to hit my milestone. I want everything to go up. I just want us to pump right here. Bitcoin, do your thing as well. Adam, please give me back. Please, I'm praying. Give me back out to break even. But yeah, Qmizy, another insight. I use NVIDIA to kind of tell me what's gonna happen, right? Because NVIDIA, if you noticed, always opens higher. Well, not always, but when it ha opens higher, it comes back to fill the gap most of the time. Most of the time, right? Here, open higher, came back, filled the gap. Not here, but there was too much of a big gap. Not here either. Damn, I look dummy right now. Uh, uh, uh. Not here either, bro. I look like a dummy. 2 weeks ago, I did it every day though. Opened the gap, went higher. Went to the gap, went higher. Uh, uh, uh. Here we got a small gap, filled it, went higher. Not here. But you get what I mean, right? So it's kind of an indicator to me that whenever NVIDIA fills the gap, we could be ready for a move up, right? Here we filled it-ish, and we are going up. So hopefully my theory is good, and we keep going up. We are going to make an SMT right here. If we're going to go there, we're going to make an SMT for sure with NQ. Uh, So yeah, you can kind of anticipate it that there's going to be an SMT. To be honest, it looks like we're going to get one because we're super close to that high. We're super far to it on NQ. So if we're going to go there, we're going to make an SMT for sure, which I'm good with. Could be potentially looking for shorts right there when we make the SMT on that high. Uh, uh, uh. Yes, sir. Torgor. Layash, what are you looking for today? Mm, 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 mm. Hopefully we get that high with a possible SMT so we could look for shorts. I really wouldn't mind. And that would be nice for QMeasy as well because finishing this coffee. What kind of coffee? What kind of coffee, bro? Black? Ew. You don't put anything in it? Anything in your coffee? Bro, I drink more milk than coffee when I drink a coffee. I'm a pussy. Two sugar? The kind of coffee Unks drinks? Ah, that's why. Two sugars and like 250 milliliters of milk, bro. I do not like the taste, but well, I do, but with milk in it. When there's milk in it, I like it. That's a baby. What about you, Kimizi? You drink any coffee? Yeah, we're about to make another SMT right here with this one as well. Bro, he's an animal in all fields. All fields, he's an animal. Trust me. I saw the messages he gets from girls. He's an animal. We made an SMT right here. So we could look for potential shorts, but we still have this high right here. We made an SMT, but see how we anticipated it? It's kind of something you want to be able to do. And look, we filled the gap on NVIDIA, and bam, went up. Happy with that. Black as my soul. Once you go black, you never go back. About to make this SMT as well. About to make this one. Hopefully we do. For trading sakes, I want us to short, but when we make the SMT, but I honestly want it to keep pumping. I'm happy with this. Marianne, you got any investments within the stock market, like long term for your retirement? Okay, we made the SMT easily predictable. So possible shorts right here. Keep easy. Possible shorts. Oh, good. Real estate's good. Um, have you ever heard about the 16-year cycle or 18-year cycle on real estate? That's all fucking conspiracy, but uh we're it's said that every 16 to 18 years the market crash in real estate. Last time it crashed was in 2008. So what am I wrong on that? Hold on. So 2026 would be damn Marion Cook. She just cooked along. Good shit. Good shit. How up are you? So we have our SMT right here, Kimizi. So we could be looking for shorts. We could be looking for shorts. Not optimal, but we could be looking for shorts. Holy, look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I have a guy, I told him to buy fucking here, right? He's cooking right now. KP in the Discord. But yeah, having real estate, that's what I want to do as well. That's where I put all my money to it. I put my money on the side, I invest it, and whenever I'm gonna be ready to buy some real estate, that's what I'm gonna do. Uh, I do not know a lot about it though. Do not know a lot about it. So we have potential shorts right here. Uh, 30 second looks okay. 15 seconds, I wouldn't trust the 15 seconds right now. So we're gonna stay on the one. I mean, if you sell everything, uh, every real estate piece that you have, would you even need to trade? So potential short on that one right here. Swept pre-market highs, which is what we've been seeing for the past couple of days. Yeah, I mean taxes are insane. So for our potential short, Qmeezy, That's the potential short. Looks volatile as hell to the upside though. Look at the fix. There has to be some sort of tax haven that you can get away with while selling shit though. Has to be. Like you put it if you put it in your well, God forbid, but let's say you die tomorrow and you give it as a gift to your kids, I think they don't have to pay any taxes on it. So, yes looks better. Yes looks better for us to short. Yeah. ES looks better for shorts. I will not be trading ES, but QMeasy if you want to give it a try. Holy, what the fuck's happening? 10? Was there news at 10? I think there was, right? Yeah, there was. There was news. But we still have our potential short right here. It's super far from entry though, so I wouldn't really be taking it. So I think we're gonna wait for this to be swept right here. But we are bumping. Uh, we are bumping. I'm pretty sure I have hit my benchmark that I wanted to hit, so I'm happy with this. Did I? I think I did. Honestly, I'm happy with this. So ES is going hella up. Holy, look at this. This is beautiful. Hey, to keep in mind, 12 days from now, Trump tariff exemption stops. So this could be all good, all a big fucking, okay, we swapped it on it here. Let me log back in. So this could all be like a parade to get people trapped into buying high as exit liquidity. Who knows? That's what I'm thinking though. 567 on Vo is insane. Imagine you bought Vo like here in 2012. You're chilling right now. 6x your money almost. It's insane. Okay, so we saw pre-market highs. If we don't get anything here, we're not gonna get shit that we're gonna like. And then again, we're still super far from our entry right here, so we're gonna look at the lower time frame. Lower time frame looks the same because it was such a big candle. Let's see if Trump said anything. Let's refresh this. You guys can't see, I'm pretty sure. It's been a hard week on the callouts. It's been a hard week. Nothing from Trump. But it's been a hard week. PA has been super hard, but we keep it pushing. We keep it pushing. Uh, Kimeezy, are you close to Rome now? You must be close. 8-hour train. Uh, this you could take profits right here on these lows, definitely. But this looks like a meme coin. This looks like a meme coin. This is insane. This it looks like a meme coin. It looks like my fucking Atom dog shit right here. Oh, come on, give us the short. Give us the short, my boy. You guys think this could hit? What do you think about this, Lash? I think it could hit for sure. It's not looking good though, but I think it could. Oh, it's up $3 today. That is 0.5%, but still almost a percent on the day on a safe asset like this. This is insane. Let's look at it right here. The bottom. Yeah, roughly. How up are we since the tariff scare? Bottom to here, we're up 30%. Holy shit. Yeah, no. We're scalping though. Let's say since 2022. How are we? Holy. Bro, I wish I would have been investing in 2022, but I didn't. I mean, I was, but I was investing with the bank and they fucked me. So I had my money in the bank and uh, I told them, hey, I want my money out. I'm not making any money. And the guy said, well, you've made $300 with us in the past 3 years. I was like, and he's like, that's super good. Why not, why do you want to take it out? I was like, bro, you're fucking kidding me right now? And he gave me my money. Super, super sketchy. Like, why would why would making $300 in 3 years good? Like, it's not good at all. It's $100 per year. And I was investing $100 a week, which is not a lot, but better than most. Insane. I think we might be going to all-time highs. We might be going to all-time highs here. What is all-time high? I think it's 887, 880, 873. We could potentially be going to all-time highs here. Holy, this is atrocious. So, the guy I follow on Twitter, he said whenever, whenever air traffic restarts across Iran, that's where you long the market. And what do you know? The guy was right again. He's always fucking right. Marty Party is the GOAT. So I don't think we're gonna get any setups today, unfortunately, again. Super unfortunate. But we do have planes flying over Iran. As I'm looking right now, we got planes flying around across Iran, Bahrain, and all this shit. So it's not completely back, but it's back. We got planes in Pakistan as well. Uh, it's airfield's still closed across Ukraine though. I mean, it's been closed for 3 years, which is crazy. I think you can only go by train, right? Mm, Kimeezy, what were you saying? Uh, let's see. What were you saying? We had a zone. Hold on, I'm replying to him. Yes, sir. You have a good day, Marianne. But yeah, Kimeezy, you must be super close to fucking Rome right now. Oh yeah, crypto going up. Come on, just moon for me. Moon for me. I'll give you a kiss. Just moon for me. Dude, I went to the bank and oh geez, my shit was lagging because I just received all your message. Or oh, okay, it's your service. Dude, I went to the bank to try and do this. I had 1.5 from grad money, and the lady looked at me in the face and said, "In a year, I would make $20." Yeah, well, not in a year, but so now it's just sitting in my Fidelity account. My bias was right today, but it sucks at I suck at finding an entry. We got the SMT, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get the shit. But yeah, bro, the bank, they're just, bro. They take your money, they sell your dream, and never look back. Super annoying. That's what they did with me. I'm choked. I fucking fell for it. But we got the SMT right here on that high, but it just kept pumping. So Kimeezy, I don't think we're gonna get anything. Yeah, this is too far of an entry. We're at 17.99. Yeah, exactly. What she says is, bank makes money with our money, and at the end we're getting fucked because traders like the hedge funds from let's say TD Bank, hedge funds trader from TD Bank, they make money with our money, and that's how they make their money. That's how the bank make money, and they give us 0.5% at the end of the year, and most normal people are like, oh, that's great, they give me 0.5%, but inflation's at 2, so you're losing 1.5% of your money while they make millions with it. So yeah, well, let's say it's at 2, right? It could be higher. We're just pumping, pumping and pumping. I mean, I'm not pissed about it, but it's not easy for the traders. The traders that we are is not the easiest. But yeah, the bank, they take our money, make millions with them with it, and they give us 0.5%. But am I investing it? So you're saying your parent invested money for you, or they handed it to the bank? Oh, they invested it for you, right? If I read that correctly. Pumping. Waiting on your response. That's why I'm not speaking. But I'm guessing your service is bad, so I'm just gonna keep speaking. Oh, day reversal. No, like they set me up a Fidelity account instead of doing something through the bank and earning 2.5 interest. So what's Fidelity? Uh, Fidelity account. I'm not from the States, so I don't think we have these over here. What is a Fidelity account? Oh, so they invested your money basically. Like let's say S&P, they put your money in the S&P. Bro, when I went to the bank, a lady told me like a couple of years ago, "Oh, our thing is better than the S&P. You should definitely invest in it." I was like, "Oh yeah, bet." And I did, and I got fucked. Like I invested, okay, so I invested a 16K like 3 years ago, and I only made 2K off of it. This is atrocious. I've made more by investing myself, way less. I made more by investing myself with way less. Yeah, they fucked me. They fucked me hard. And the funniest part is I cannot take that money out or I cannot invest it myself. It's stuck with them. So that's 16K in fire, you know. Out of that 16K with fucking inflation, I'm definitely down. Till I buy a house. I know I could invest it myself. I think I just said I could. I think I could move it into Wealthsimple or something like this. But I've tried and none of them know how and all. It's difficult, right? But if you remember about that money I told you about that I was putting 100 a week, in order for me to get that money out, it took me fucking 4 months of calling every day, and nobody would fucking answer. Right? I made the request from my investing app to the bank. Nothing fucking works. And bro, I got pissed at a guy one time. Like I got mad at him. I was like, bro, give me my fucking money, blah blah blah, right? And that's where it worked. That's where it worked. But like I do not advocate being mean to these people because it's not their fault. But my fucking money, bro. Damn. No, Ryan lost that. Jeez. Yeah, I thought you logged off as well. I mean, that's pretty much on open, but Ryan, we're smacking your dumb ass. My fault. My fault. Yeah, use the lockout shit to your advantage. If you can't lock out yourself, I think you should try to be able to lock out yourself, but if you can't lock out, just use the button. Went for the home run. I mean, it would have hit, could have hit. Yeah, market will always be there. It could have hit though, because you just got fucked on that one right here. Yeah, it's really unfortunate. Hey, we're close to all-time highs. Super fucking close. We're definitely going to all-time highs. As I say that, we're gonna reverse slip. So I say we're definitely going to all-time highs, so we're short the market. It's listening to me. It's listening to me for sure. There you go. I knew it. Yeah, Ryan, I thought you had lucked out, bro. Exactly what Layash said. Get your head straight first, and then the market will come to you. Can't force shit with that. Yeah, Bitcoin's down. I feel like we're building something big on Bitcoin for a move, like a short squeeze or some shit. But they have to liquidate the longs because there's so many people that were long from here, from the war, and scared. They have to liquidate the longs. There's a liquidation at like somewhere around here, if I remember correctly. By they, I mean fucking Binance. Binance and OKX and all these exchanges, they control all of it. Sounds conspirationist, but they control all of it. All of it. No, I don't think we're gonna get any setups. I mean, it would be wrong from me and not okay to just tell you to short a shitty setup right here. I don't think it would be okay for me, from me to you, to just tell you to short a gamble setup right here. Even this one, I think it would be a gamble, and I don't think it would be okay for me to tell you to do that. Just being transparent with you, I think that would be fucked up on my part to give you a random setup and say, like, let's say I want to rush thing and be like, oh, let's give that guy a setup because I want to rush it. I don't think that would be nice from me to you. So I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't think we're gonna see anything today. Yeah, it's a complete gamble if you're looking for shorts. I mean, this one was I think this one was valid because we swept pre-market highs, but we didn't get it. So that's the only valid thing we would have get. But right now we're kind of in price discovery, other than all-time highs right here. So kind of hard to get an idea. PA's been rough this week. Hopefully it's better next week. I mean, I don't want the market to shit or anything, but it's not fun to trade whenever that happens right here. It's not fun to trade at all. We did have this quick short right here and this quick long, but there was no setup on that short. That short needed that long. So we got these good things, but no setups. 60 points away from all-time highs. Yeah. Any advice on where to invest 1.5? Well, the S&P, but we are at all-time highs right now, so you could wait. You could wait a bit. But yeah, the S&P. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you to invest in some fucking uh OF OF models. Like I'm not gonna tell you to invest in some penny stocks like this, right? But I think the S&P is gonna be your best bet for long term. For long term, the S&P is gonna be your best. If you want to make quick money, uh, I don't know, go to the casino. But for long term, the S&P for sure. Get some vote to your name. Get some a lot of vote, and at one point it's gonna pay you dividends. Long-term investment. Is that how I sound? Right? The long-term investment. What's Tesla doing? What's Tesla doing? Coffee kicked in. Now you're ready. You just need the espresso shot, the cayenne shots. Oh, Tesla's doing well. That's what's been going, keeping me afloat today, I guess. What's Apple doing? Apple as well. That's a nighty thing. Pineapple juice, lemon juice, and cayenne pepper. Let's go. I got some stocks in BlackBerry. I am absolutely cooked. Where is it? Look, Lyosh. I'm cooked. Blackberries are good. Blackberry. Oh, that. You know why they failed? Alright, Kumizi. See you Monday. You have a good weekend as well. BlackBerry. You know why BlackBerry failed? They failed because they didn't want to make a touchscreen phone. My aunt had a BlackBerry in like 2000 and fucking 8. You're fucking old, Lyosh. Jesus Christ. Oh, I remember my BlackBerry. Fucking dinosaur. That's a phone number or what? DB Messenger. What's that? Is that like the Nintendo DS thingy where you could message people with a specific number within the same house? Alright, son, listen. I'm listening. Story time, right? Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Let's hear the story. What do you got for us? BlackBerry has had its own message system like thingy. Yeah, okay. So, like a Facebook, basically. Yeah, Snap. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I got that. How can I had you right now with something else? Yeah, it's innovating. Yeah, moral, you're a fucking hunk. It's innovating, but it failed because they didn't want to make touchscreen. Imagine if they had made touchscreens, they'd be printing in money because they were there before Apple, I'm pretty sure. Come on, crypto, go on. Holding me down, you bitch. Oh, Nvidia though. Nvidia. You can see a pump right here on NQ. But there's gonna be nothing for traders like us. Nothing. Oh, Kimizi left. You wanna come on stage or what? It's a bit there's not a lot of people today. I mean there was a lot, but it's Friday, right? I'm on stage sexy. Huh? Bro, what are you saying? I can't I don't understand. Yeah, but it's the accent.
That's rude.
Stabioni?
Can't get it, bro.
Bro, I'm retarded, I swear. Stomping on me? Stomping on me. Is that what you said?
Yawn. Yawning.
Oh, yawn. Hey, stop yawning on me. Fucking UK accent, man, I swear to God.
Yo, that was a good imitation.
Yeah. I mean, it can't be worse than,
That was a
what was it?
proper Northern English imitation.
Long Tom Investment. Is that how I fucking sound?
No, you just said like Torm, long Torm, and
Long
in my
Tom.
head I just heard it like that.
It's my fucking pride.
I
It's
mean, you
gonna
do
crack
sound
me.
you do sound a little bit like that with your nose blocked, but it's all right.
Bro, I cannot wait for
Makes you
that
sound
cold.
more man.
Fuck you, kid. Bro, I'm about to be 24 and my balls haven't dropped yet. Am I cooked? Am I
Oh
not? Am
God,
I cooked? Am I cooked?
you
Am I
are a
cooked?
little bit, yeah.
Ooh, new all-time high on Nvidia. Let's go. Should I sell? I don't know if I should sell, but I'm saying, what if it does a Tesla and goes to $300? And I'll be rich. So
I know, right?
I'm gonna hold it to zero.
Everyone left.
Yeah, everyone like
It's
it's
just the two of
Fridays.
us.
Fridays are always slow. There's like no one on Fridays. I mean, I don't think
Mm,
a lot of people
yeah.
trade Fridays. Fridays are they're not ass, but they're ass,
I mean, I remember.
Oh, top
I
yawning
remember
on me.
seeing someone saying
You
statistically
gotta be
that
yawning, you
Fridays
bitch. Yeah,
were bad.
Fridays are always bad. Well,
You know what? I don't know why. This is the thing, right? Like the way I approach these things, like I have no judgment whatsoever. Maybe it's a rookie thing. Maybe I don't know. I need more exposure to the market, but I have no judgment in PA in whatever it is. Like as long as
uh,
I make it and I show up and I see what the market's doing and giving me, I
yeah,
will either take something or not. That's what I was telling. That was the point I was trying to make with Ryan.
yeah,
Um, you just show up and you keep your head straight and you see what the market gives you.
yeah. You can't come with you can't come with like I need to make money. You can't.
No, no, no,
Like,
no. I was actually talking about this last night with my dad because he's the only one that knows everything, right?
hmm,
And I was telling him like I've done this for quite a few years now, and
hmm,
if anything, the only one thing, even if I don't make it, the one thing I will take away from this industry is it's given me so much self-awareness, so much clarity over my emotions, my mindset, my reasoning, and I can take that into any aspect of my life. Like I don't overreact anymore, I don't overthink anymore, I just see what life is doing and giving me, and then I just take
Yeah,
action on
it's
it.
just like, oh, well, fuck
And
it, it happened, it
I that
happened. Yeah, you gotta act on it,
yeah, but I
basically.
did tell him that because I was like for the last 2 weeks I was trading perfectly normal. I built like the 2.6k on the funded, and because I knew in my head that I was $500 away, not even, it was like 442 away from the payout.
Yep.
In the last like 3 trading days, I was like nervous. I was like chasing. I was like looking for something, and I started identifying that way of thinking, that emotion, and I literally just took a step back, and I was like, that's why I started recording as well, because I can see how I'm moving the charts, how I'm looking, changing time frames, and I'm like, yo, just calm down, stay still.
Yeah. You get that? Do you get the shakes when you trade?
I mean, my heartbeat races a little bit when I'm on a trade. I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like, I don't know, it's money moving in and out, and
But
I just don't act
once the heart rate
as in,
is regulated and you're not shaking anymore, that's when you kind of okay, this could
yeah,
work, right? I mean, my when my heartbeat shakes before a trade, I don't take it.
really.
Well, depends, right? If it's really
I
good, I
mean,
guess.
I'm not saying that I'm shaking or anything, but it's like, all right, it's like game on, like adrenaline kind of thing.
Yeah. Sometimes there's too much adrenaline, you can like, oh,
Mm,
better stay off than fucked up, you know. Especially me,
yeah.
it used to not happen before I stream, but when I stream, bro, holy shit.
Do you
Because
know
you're
that
like, oh,
there's a thing about what you do
mhm.
live that's fucking interesting. Like I respect that. It takes some courage to put yourself there
Yeah, it's
live.
scary.
Do you know what I mean? Like say a prediction, or show yourself taking a trade.
Hmm.
You know, people follow blindly and that kind of stuff. Like I
Yeah.
respect that shit. But I don't know. I do get a little bit of a raised heart rate, but it's not nothing crazy. Like I'm not shaking or anything. I'm not
Uh,
anxious, or because
when
I
I first,
believe that
yeah, yeah, go
before
ahead.
I actually clicked that button, I believe that I did an analysis, and I believe that um, I also read a quote one day. It's just like you have to accept the risk. Like once you press that button, you lost that money. If it works out, it
Exactly.
works out. But
Definitely,
if you
definitely.
lose that money, the moment you click that button, that money is out of your account. You lost it, and that thought as well gave me so much clarity.
Have you ever opened a trade, look at the NPNL like on your TP and be like, oh my God, I just made 4K, but you're in Drata, but you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, it's like a reverse
Yeah.
engineering
And
kind of thing.
yeah, and then you fucking lose it all. It kind of goes ends in hands with what you just said. When you enter a trade, money's gone. It's not in your account anymore.
No.
Not in your account. Imagine this hits though. That'd be insane. But yeah, once the money is out of your account, once you're in the trade, money's lost. Money's lost. Not as lost as this one
Hmm.
right here, but it's lost. Well, I'm down. How much am I down?
what is what is even the like the function of Atom? Like what were you promised?
It's like it's like Ethereum with the pictures. That's like the main one.
Pictures,
Yeah, the what is it? You know the
NFTs.
apes? Yeah, it's like the NFTs, but this is the main one right here, and you got a
All
lot
right,
on the blockchain like the USD, which is
I'm just gonna get some more coffee.
you got this, and then you
We
got
might
fucking
close below that FEG, by the way, but I don't know. I'm not taking anything, bro.
yeah, me
This
neither.
is fucked, and it's like half an hour away from the end of what should be my session.
11? You stop at 11?
Theoretically, yeah.
I what I like to do, I like to stop at 10, but for the live stream, you gotta do it.
No,
And
but
look,
there's still chances. I think.
yeah, there's still chances. Just the probabilities to me are better on open than they are on right here, right? But I know we get some good setups sometimes later. But me personally,
Mm,
10 to 10:15, I'm done.
that's
Like
fair. I mean,
too
you
much.
also tried very, very, very. small time frame. So
Yeah, very small time frame with
you
like
either
10 to
you
15
do
points.
before opening or after opening, and that's it.
I can't hear you. Well, I can, but
I
I
said
can't.
because you trade such lower time frames, you either see a setup before opening or after opening, and that's about it. Like you
Yeah,
don't need to hang around for too long.
yeah, really not, really not. Like if it, I love the streaming. It's super nice, but if it wasn't from streaming, 9:40, I'd be back in fucking bed.
Oh, I
You,
can't wait to get back in bed today, bro. Okay,
I was
I
gonna
came home
sleep.
at like 2:30.
Hey, I wonder if my thing with the trade war, trade thing is gonna work on TikTok. Could be fun. Like, let's say, bro, yesterday I was
It could be.
testing live on TikTok and I had fucking 30 people watching. I was just testing. I had music blasting. I didn't even know it. Shit was funny as hell. Some guy just joining was like,
How
"The
many
fuck
how
is
many
that
followers do
music?"
you have?
I got 200 on TikTok. TikTok's not the. I need to stop that fucking line. TikTok hasn't picked up yet,
Do you know what I was
unfortunately.
thinking? I was
Hmm?
thinking the other day, how the fuck did I find this group? Like, I have no idea.
I probably posted
I was
in
trying to remember.
I probably posted somewhere in the Discord, but I feel like we done was good bash. We don't have a mutual servers. Yes, we do. No, we don't have a mutual server, so
No,
I
no,
do
no.
not know.
I must have seen something on Instagram.
It must have been
I
that.
promise.
It must have been that for sure. Instagram. Easy found me on Instagram as well. Uh,
Yo, Bash.
Ryan probably as well. What's up, Bash?
I, honestly, I was thinking about it. I was like, I don't know how the fuck I found this Discord, but thanks fuck I did.
Yeah, I'm happy you did. I'm happy you did. Chill ass guy. You're
Happy
doing good.
days.
You're doing good. I mean, it's Fridays. You know, Fridays there's no trade day, but we doing
My
good.
bro, these markets are cooked, I'm telling you.
Yeah, it's been cooked for a
These
couple
markets
days,
don't want me
Bash.
funded, bro. Well, I mean, I'm funded, but they don't want me to withdraw.
Hey, imagine we that short wins and actually fucking works. The one that we had in, well, I had in mind.
Say
Be
again?
insane. The one that I had in mind right here, I don't think it's a good setup, but it could potentially work right here.
Mm. Full port,
Potentially,
full
potentially.
port.
Full
Should
port
we
short?
do? Should we do one micro, like yesterday?
Yeah, fuck it. One micro? Oh man. No,
Let's go. Fuck it.
we
Let's
made a
do.
bullish SMT. Alright, let's just gamble it. If we close, I'm gonna gamble it on the fucking paper account.
I'm going one micro on the eval
Hopes and
if we
dreams.
close.
Hopes and dreams
Nah,
ass
fuck it.
trade.
Retrace. It
Yeah, okay.
retraced.
We have a bullish SMT right here as well. Well, Bash, here was the original idea because we swept the pre-market highs right here, so I wanted us to just shit right here, but quite kind of didn't work. But yeah, so that was the original idea. I kind of wanted something like this more immediately
I
than
mean, we had a nice long setup at 9:30, but it
yeah,
was like choppy. It
yeah,
wasn't
too
like a V
choppy.
shape
Yeah, way too choppy. Plus
after the group.
we hit it right here, then went back and deep into drawdown. Entry was 725. We went back to 5, so that's 20 point drawdown. For me, my risk, like how much I sized, that would have been too much and I would have lost. Yeah.
Well, not really, because the entry would have been the candle of 9:33 when it closed above that fair value gap. So you would have missed that stop on. You would have missed that drawdown. Do you know what I mean?
Hold on. I think, look, if I enter right
If you
here,
draw out if you draw out that fair value gap, you will see that it closes above on 9:33. So after that manipulation,
well, if I had entered on the pullback with an encroachment, possibly.
yeah, that would have been sick.
Yeah, that would have been nice. That would have been okay, but I think with the sizing that he used, I think I would have been cooked, to be honest.